Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install add-ons in Blender in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open Blender. Then, go to the top menu, click on Edit, and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Add-ons. To install a new add-on, click the arrow facing bottom at the top right corner of the Add-ons tab. Then click on Install from Disk. Now, navigate to where you've downloaded the add-on on your computer. It's usually a zip file, but it could also be a PI file. Once you've selected the file, click Install Add-on. Remember, the add-on is installed but not yet activated. To activate the add-on, simply check the box next to its name. And that's it. Your add-on is now installed and ready to use. And that's how you install add-ons in Blender. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Blender tutorials. See you next time.